today we got something fun. You see this? Yeah, these nails are like anywhere from 5 to 7 weeks old. I'm not sure exactly, but they're like really old. And shout out to my nail tech, because the application that she had was good. If these things are still on, a lot of times how I am, my nails don't stay on.
She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you want to hear. She could read your mind, that you could rely over little.
I'm going to be showing you some of the supplies that we have, or that I have. Okay, so you can literally order everything from Amazon. Amazon is my best friend, and that's what I did. A polish, I have my vitamin E oil. This is just like some oil that you can actually use every day, and it's so cute because it does come with like this card, which I was like, oh, that's so cute. I have my bows, I have my orange stick, I have my cuticle remover, I have this little toolkit, I have a drill just in case I choose to use a drill, I have my coconut oil. These are like the drills and everything like that. You can definitely use some, what is this called? Oh my gosh, fingernail polish if you need it. I have 100% pure acetone. I have my cotton balls. I do have my file, which is the 100/80, and then I have my buffer. Okay, y'all, so as you see, I have my acetone. I did pour my acetone in the little small bowl, and then in the bigger clear glass bowl that I have that is hot water. The first step is to go ahead and cut those nails as low as possible, just because, child, I don't need my nails that long. Now, I wish I would have showed y'all this on the video, but my nails were super thick. I mean, shout out to my nail tech, because she did do that. So, because they were so thick, there was like a lot of soaking that had to occur in this process. Of course, I did start off with using my e-file, which is the first thing you see me do, followed by using my actual file, because I was just trying to get my nails to be as thin as they possibly could be. The reason why I'm using coconut oil along with the essential oil is A, I do not like the smell of acetone, and B, I just wanted my hands just to be like feeling very refreshed. And lavender obviously is a calming scent, and then I did use the coconut oil. Y'all, that process helps so much. Y'all need to use coconut oil and add that to like the acetone. It just helps your hands to be so much more softer. Like usually when you go to the nail salon and they suck your nails off, they're so rough. So this is something that I typically would do at the nail salon, y'all. I just literally use a little cotton part and I scrub my nails. Like I kind of rub my nails together. You know what I mean. Anyway, I'm literally going to repeat this step where I am soaking my nails when I have to drink some water. But I'm soaking my nails and I am literally filing. So that is what I'm doing, because y'all, this is a process. Look at how good my nails look. That's only one hand though. We got a whole nother hand to go. So with this hand, it seemed as if like the actual application was way thicker. So it did take me a little bit longer to get that those sets of nails off, but when it finally did come off, I was like happy. But as you can see, I'm still filing, trying to get the rest of the stuff off. Let me tell y'all, in this case scenario, the e-file definitely did help me a lot. And as you can see, I finally, yay, got the nails off. I'm so happy. Okay. So now this is the part where you get into the manicure section. I'm using different drills on the actual e-file just to give myself a really good manicure. I'm not going to lie, y'all. I've been wearing nails back to back non-stop. And listen, please don't judge me, because this is my first time actually doing this whole process. So y'all, I'm new to this. So if I'm doing something wrong, do not come for me, because I was trying to do my best that I possibly can. I am a right-handed person, so that's why you see my hand looking all crazy. But I am using the different drill pieces to actually like file, buff my nail, just really do whatever it needs to do. Now you see me going in to like really like get those the additional cuticle portion. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I was trying to make sure I gave myself the best manicure, because sometimes I feel like I don't get the best manicure, and I feel like they don't do all this extra stuff when I am at the nail salon. So I'm just like, why not go ahead, sis, and spoil yourself? You better. So basically, that is what you see me doing right now. Okay, so I ain't gonna even lie. I had like a little dead skin I was trying to get off, which I did end up getting it off. And as you see, I think I'm doing my little thing right there, trying to, just get them cuticles all nice. And here you see me filing the nails right here. Oh my gosh, they look gorgeous. Now we gonna buff them nails out, because we gotta do our thing. Even though I did use the e-file, I just really wanted my nails to be like their best self. Okay. Next, you are going to see me using my cuticle remover, and y'all, I'm using the orange chick all the way wrong, and I have realized that now. But again, this is my first time, so don't judge. Just don't judge. I'm using a hardener because my nails were so like weak. They feel like, I'm not gonna lie, they feel really, really like weak. So I wanted to harden my nails and kind of give them like a little breather before I go ahead and do the next process of what I wanted to do for my nails. I really just wanted my nails to breathe. I am horrible at polishing nails, y'all. Again, I don't do this. I've been getting my nails done since I was like a teenager. So, the girl was kind of struggling. Thank you, God, that it was clear, because the clear, you can't even tell that you messed up. I'm using my fan, and I'm just going to fan my nails off. Just because it's like, gotta hurry up and get them to dry. Now this portion, actually this next step is on the bottle, and it's so good to do. I actually applied the nail hardener underneath my nails, which actually helped them so much. Y'all, when I say it helped so much, like, this was like literally a lifesaver. And then of course, it just helps to make your nails very, very hard, and it helps them not to break. So I'm fanning my nails again, and then I'm going to follow up with using my vitamin E oil. So you're just going to see me apply that oil on the cuticle, rub it all in, y'all, because them cuticles got to be looking nice, tight, and right. Okay, that's that. So basically, I'm just going to finish applying this cuticle oil all over. And y'all, wait till you see how my nails look. Oh my gosh, they look amazing. Like, if I would have went to the nail salon, they would not look that good. My loves, thank you so much for watching the video.